Shannon Coward here at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. You inquired about one of our automobiles. Well, I wanted to let you know that we've got the Elantra, the Santa Fe's, the Tucsons, the Sonatas, which are the most popular vehicle that Hyundai has to offer, and also made right here in the state of Alabama. But I want to tell you the most important thing, that is the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. I'm your personal sales associate assigned just to you. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250, or you may reach out to me on my personal cell at 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you are going to love the way you're treated. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon. Thank you.